What's the meaning of brassy? Brassy. Brassy.
Brassy. Brassy. The word brassy typically refers to something or someone that is cheap, showy, or lacking in taste or subtlety. It can also refer to a person who is bold or overconfident, often in an obnoxious or unpleasant way. When used to describe an object or material, brassy can mean that it's made of brass, or it can describe a color that's similar to brass, a bright, yellowish gold hue. Overall, the connotations of brassy tend to be negative, implying a lack of refinement or class.